Hi, so this is a follow-up of our Doro Wat or Ethiopian Spicy Chicken Challenge. And I was wondering, since it's on a Mediterranean, I was wondering what if I use like Mediterranean, like Italian spices, I mean spices, but Italian methods, and, and of course with a little bit of Spanish, Mexican thrown in. I'm going to use garbanzo beans. Normally I like kidney beans for my burritos, but I'm going to try these garbanzo beans. I'm not a big fan of it. They're called chickpeas, but they're very prevalent in this area, in the area that this dish comes from. So I believe they also grind it up to make it hummus. So anyway, so I'm going to add a little chickpeas, and then to give it a more Italian kick to it, I'm going to sprinkle Italian 5 cheese. Italian 5 cheese. And see how it goes. I didn't add any more heat, though. I probably could. I can always add hot sauce while I'm eating it. But anyway, I'm not an expert at burrito making, but I'll do the best I can. And then I'm gonna, because this, I'm gonna heat it up in the microwave. I did it for a minute, but it looks like it's too long. So anyway, so here's one that just got microwaved. So a little bit too long. So let's check this out, see how it looks. I didn't bother heating up the chickpeas because the sauce is so strong that I figure it's gonna blend in right away. You know what? I'm just gonna bite into this. Okay. So everything melted together, and as I suspected, because the sauce is so overpowering, the chickpeas just got blasted with the spice mix. Mm. Mm. The cheese, excuse me, the cheese goes perfect with this. The chickpeas can't. I mean, all I taste is the spice. Chickpeas adds a nice texture, typical bean texture. So you get that burrito texture out of this, and the spices, the Ethiopian spices, goes very very well with this particular burrito, if you will. So it's a little bit neater way to eat it, and also convenient because you can just prepare it cold and then heat it up or just warm it up to when you need to eat it, and then you have it without getting a big mess. And if you wanted more heat, you just add hot sauce to it. Okay, so just a little follow up for the Doro Wat dish.